Yes, Uncle Lou, I challenge you to make my vegan scramble.
I got you, my man. So we're going to start off with one packet of Silken Tofu, one pack of regular extra firm tofu. We got a handful of chives, finely chopped. We got one small onion, or you can use some shallots as well. Half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Next, going in with 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast and kala namak, 1/4 teaspoon, that is black salt, and some sliced bread. I'm using sourdough, and of course some olive oil. Let's do this. Starting off, we're going to blend our silken tofu until you get a nice creamy texture. Separately, we're going to crumble our extra firm tofu in a separate bowl. And we're going to get to the fry-in. So, olive oil, going in with the onions, give it a good stir. Now start adding in the aromatics. So we've got our garlic powder, onion powder, turmeric, black salt, give it a good stir. And then we're going to go in with the silken tofu. Dehydrate it just a touch, bring out the nooch. Going in then with some salt and pepper to taste. And now we're going to add in our firm tofu. Give that a good stir, make sure it's all well combined. And at this stage you can add whatever herbs you wish. I'm adding in the chives and some oregano, or oregano if you're American. It's all good. Give that a good stir and you are ready to go. I'm just drizzling some olive oil on there. Absolutely beautiful. And sprinkling on the fresh chives once again. So, folks, Jacob, hope you enjoyed this video as much as I'm enjoying munching on this Peng vegan munch. My man. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, give it a subscribe, and be sure to follow Jacob. I'm going to put a link to all of his social media channels on the description down below, but you're most likely already following him. The man's a legend. Ciao for now. See you on the next one, because that's how you make Jacob's famous vegan scramble.